Nogi, rebound by. Steal. Viernes, taking three. Nogi, rebound by Jose. 2 points. Kenneth, Jose. 2-0, 9 minutes and 40. Escobar, 2 points. Deadlock all 2. Warren Escobar. Nine minutes and 24. 10 seconds to shoot. 3. Kenneth, Jose. 5-2. 9 minutes and 7. Nine minutes exactly. Jericho to Kenneth, another 3. Nugget in a ball. Good ball. 8 minutes and 49. Labas. Score by 2 in favor of Team sa All-Stars. 8 minutes and 38, 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Escobar to Mongosera. Mongosera layup is no good in Bobari. Only 2 points. Legs solid. 5-4. Twelve seconds to shoot. Crossover move by Jericho. Jericho, looper shot. Tula. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Exactly 8 minutes. Exactly 8 minutes. Mikey short number 2 points. Mikey Emuseno. 7-4 in favor of Team sa All-Stars. Escobar. Mongosera taking 3. No good mo by. Baluyot to Viernes. Pass to De Jose. De Jose. No good mo by. Got it. Alley play. 2 points. Legs solid. 7-6 in favor of Team sa All-Stars. Nugget mo by. Legs. To Gladden. To Legs. Legs na naman. Nugget mo by Viernes. Viernes. Crossover mo Viernes. Pass to De Jose. Pasa 2 points. Kenneth De Jose. Assist by Viernes. 9-6. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 points. Warren Escobar. 9-8. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Wala pa po. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 9-8 in favor of Team sa All-Stars. 12 seconds to shoot. Nepomuceno short number. Nugget. Primo by Escobar. Escobar pa rin. Escobar. Pass to Mongosera. 2 points. H. Paymore. And 9. 2 points by Leke. Solid. Jero Mongosera. 6 by Warren Escobar.